Fission, sources of energy. Hi, my name is Arman Ismail.
And I am Kian Sadat.
This presentation is from our Mod 2 Physics Science class. Before we begin with the presentation, we first must understand what fission is. Fission is the action of dividing or splitting an atom into two or more parts, creating energy. Here are some quick facts about fission.
The process of nuclear fission requires little materials.
Unlike radioactive decay, nuclear fission does not occur spontaneously.
In order to break apart, the nuclei need to be hit at a very fast speed.
Chain reactions release lots of energy because the mass has been converted into energy and could be harmful.
Another fun fact about nuclear fission is that an uncontrolled chain reaction will equal to a nuclear explosion.
Fission is a process done through uranium. Uranium is used in the nuclear power plants. This diagram shows how one atom becomes split through the process of fission, turns into energy. As you can see, the first atom, the uranium atom, becomes two lighter elements, and the rest of the element's information goes into energy. The second diagram is the process in which fission takes place through this machine. As you can see, there are control rods, uranium fuel cylinders, and turbines. The basic process is that uranium is put into a liquefied condition and the control rods try to slow down the energy that's getting transformed. It goes through into steam and then gets taken to an electric turbine machine and gets transferred through electricity from the turbines.
We found that nuclear fission is very feasible. It needs very little space to build a nuclear fission plant. It needs little energy required to initiate the reaction. We also found that using nuclear fission with 16 grams of oxygen will produce as much energy as 420,000 kilograms of coal. The byproduct of nuclear fission is also extremely clean energy. Nuclear fission is also very sustainable. It produces lots of energy and has very little health risks. The environmental risks are present, however extremely uncommon, and it needs a lot less matter to produce a reaction. We've also found that nuclear fission is environmentally friendly. The health impacts on human beings are extremely small, as there are no greenhouse gas releases. If the reactor melts, the fission products go into the environment. As I said previously, there is no greenhouse gas emission, and it requires a very small amount of land to make a nuclear fission power plant.
Pros and cons about nuclear fission. Some of the pros about nuclear fission are that it does not release air pollutants, it does not contribute to global warming, it releases energy for 2 to 3 years, and it does not require expensive energy fuels. Some of the cons to nuclear fission are it can be detrimental to health, it is harmful to the environment because it is nuclear, it is the same technology used in bombs, and it can lead to deadly and costly accidents. The total carbon dioxide produced is 0. Comparing that to coal-fired plants, oil-fired plants, or gas-fired plants, it's the best for the environment. Here is a list of our references. We have 7 different websites that we used, all credible, to learn about fission. Once again, I'm Arman Ismail.
And I am Kian Sadat. Thanks for listening.